What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're doing Can We Wrap It, right?
No.
What are we doing?
It's just Can We Wrap It?
I guess it's not a vlog. Welcome back to Can We Wrap It. Today we're gonna do something unique. This is something that, I said it before, it's something that we received that we got that I didn't know that I wanted. But once we got it, I was like, I want that. Now I wanna wrap it. So, let me show you what it is. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you guys, actually. They gave us this nice little letter here. It's a letter of authenticity. But basically, what we have here is this. So this is our 100,000 subscriber plaque. When we got it, I didn't know that I wanted it. Once I received it, I slept with it for the first night. Thank you, YouTube. It's cool to be commended for your accomplishments, I guess, and this is one of those big milestones for us. So we got the 100,000 subscriber plaque. Shout out to you guys because we got this because of you guys subscribing and joining the channel. Let's take it apart and let's wrap it. Let's customize it a little bit because what we do here at Premium, we wrap cars, we do a bunch of other crazy stuff, but with this whole idea of the Can We Wrap It series is let's open up things, let's do things that are not normal, let's wrap them up. And this is something that you guys see at our shop. If you visit our shop, it's hanging on the wall right outside, right as you walk in. You can come up, touch it, feel it, see it. But now, we're gonna wrap it in carbon fiber. I guess the first thing, just like any car, when we get them in here is, how the hell are we gonna take it apart? So let's figure it out. Check it out. That's all it is. This thing's pretty solid though. Nice, legit, YouTube, thank you. All right, so we got this taken off. All we're gonna do is wipe it down. We're gonna use isopropyl alcohol. See if we can wrap it. Tools that we have out here on the table. I got a torch, got myself a blade, got myself the infamous wrap glove, some 90% alcohol, get that super, super clean. I guess when you're wrapping anything, I always say this, you need to wipe it down, you need to clean up, get any oils, debris, grease, whatever off, even the grease from your own hands. After you wipe it down, be as careful as possible not to touch the surface that you're wrapping again. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it all the way around just so it looks clean, so it stays consistent. So right now I'm just kind of folding the material around right here. I'll cut a little relief. Let that sit into place. I'm gonna probably do another one here. Bring it around. All right, guys, so check it out. Got the play button wrapped in carbon fiber, and we gotta take it a step further. Gotta do something else. So this was too easy. And I'll say this right now before I forget. Can we wrap it? What do you guys think? Yes, we can wrap it. It's very easy to do. For me, I guess this is just something cool. It's something that's on display at the shop. A lot of people see it, a lot of people ask about it, so why not wrap it, right? Last thing I'm gonna do is, I got a little sheet of this psychedelic. I don't know if you can see how cool the color shift is in this. I'm gonna add that to the play button. So we'll do that in the center, just trim it right out on it. So look, check it out. Super easy to do.
Okay, finish wrapping it first?
Yeah.
That was dope.
Does that look cool?
That looks cool.
I think it's gonna look even cooler right there. Dude, who has that? Who has that? Nobody else has that. That's premium edition right there. Let's put this thing back together. It's hanging over the wall.
The screws on.
Yeah. Hey, you wanna put this together for me?
No. This is your segment.
It's hot in here, bro.
It's your segment, man.
Yo, if you guys don't know, here in California, it's super hot right now, and guess what happened to us? This is like the typical thing that happens. Our AC went out! Our AC went out as soon as it became 115 degrees here in California. So, yeah, we're sitting in this room. It looks good, but it doesn't feel good. It's super hot in here, so we're gonna put this thing back together. This might be too big. Oh, you know what? Watch this.
Oh! That almost hit my screen!
Oh! Done. Done. What you guys think? Hottest YouTube play button in the game, right? What do you think, Cannon? You think it's tight?
Oh yeah, I've never seen one like that before.
Yeah, this is that exclusive. That's that 160,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is the 160,000 subscriber play button. All right, guys. You didn't ask for it, but we did it. But we are. We do want to know what you want to see here on Can We Wrap It? One thing I do understand is we do wrap cars, and you guys are aware of that. You see all week, you see us wrapping bumpers, you see us wrapping window trims, you see us wrapping roofs and hoods. And I understand automotive wrapping is cool, and you can tune into our channel all week and watch that. The concept was really to wrap things that were just out of the ordinary. And I guess for me, it's to kind of break the habit because we're always doing the same stuff in there, and you guys get to see that, and we will continue to show that. But let's think outside the box. What do you guys want to see us wrap? Is there anything on this planet, anything in your house, in your garage, anything in the world, whatever you guys want us to wrap, comment below, let us know. We'll do our best to wrap it for you here on Can We Wrap It? In this series, in this video, can we wrap a YouTube play button? I don't know, you guys tell me.
I'm